Hello guys, it's Selena Cooks here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who are new to this channel, welcome and kindly consider subscribing and don't forget to like, comment and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos and supporting me. So guys, today I won't be going anywhere because it has been raining outside. It has been raining, guys. Yeah, so I'll be indoors. Yeah, guys. So while I'm here in the house, I'll be doing a few things here, guys. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Yes, let me just, since I'm indoors, let me just do a little bit of cleaning. Yeah, let me just do a little bit of cleaning here. Yeah, guys, I'm going to do a cleaning here. Yes, I'm just cleaning here. Then after this, I'm just going to grind the cinnamon. Yeah, to make my puffs. So just see how it is now. Let me just remove the spices here, guys, so I can clean in the shelves too. So guys, let me just clean this shelf. Guys, my door is clean now. It's very clean. I've wiped it. Yeah. Let me just finish up with the windows before the rain starts raining again. So guys, let me just finish up with the cleaning of my windows. Yeah. Before it starts raining. It's not going to rain again, so at least someone can just do something else, something different. Guys, I've washed my windows, they are clean. Yeah, very very clean. So I finished washing. The place is already clean. Let me just have everything at its normal place. here I'm just going to grind. And remember, I do have a mortar pestle or a machine, so I'm just going to grind with my cup and a chapati roller. Hope you understand me. Well, guys, I'm getting a certain aroma from this roasting these spices. Spice is now ready. As I said, I'll be using my chapati roller and my cup to grind because I don't have a mortar and a pestle. Yeah, so let me just begin with my preparation. Yeah, let me just begin to grind them. So I'm just going to beat like this until I get a fine paste, fine powder, guys. Sorry. Started to bake, guys. Yeah, but I'll just continue to grind. Yeah, so let me just continue grinding until I achieve it. It's not easy, guys. So guys, my snap-on powder is ready, so let's just sieve it. In case there is any particles left, let me just sieve it. It has really given me a hard time. Decided to keep myself busy because today I'm indoors, guys. I haven't gone anywhere, so I'm just here. So let me just check it out and see if it has any remaining particles. And I'm telling you, the aroma of the cinnamon is amazing, guys. It's really good. Yeah, I have this one. Now these ones are the extra particles. So guys, here we have our extra particles. Here you go. So this is what I'm going to remove. But I have my powder here, guys. Yeah, my cinnamon powder. Here goes my powder. Yeah, guys, so this is my cinnamon powder. I grind it myself and the aroma is really good. So yeah, guys, so now let me just make my puff so I can have with a hot cup of coffee. So in here, guys, that is flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon. Then I'm going to finish up by adding yeast. Okay, the door has raised. Yeah, you see. Guys, let me just make my coffee. Yeah, I feel like taking coffee with this cold weather. Yeah, and I'm sure it's going to go well with my well cooked puffs, guys. Yeah. Wow, they look good. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.